everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious Shahi Paneer. This is a 1 pound paneer. I'm going to use a half. So I'll finish up cutting the same way. 3 tomatoes, 4 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 1 onion, salt, coriander powder, Kashmiri mirt. This is a garam masala. I have a poster video on my channel, so please check it out. Half teaspoon each, turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon, butter 2 tablespoons. This is unsalted butter. We're going to use water as needed. To make it rich and creamy paneer, I'll be using heavy whipping cream, cashew powder, almond powder, char mugs. If you don't know what is char mugs, this is how they look. Like this. I put it into blender. I made it smooth. Powder is 1 teaspoon. How to make almond and cashew powder, I have a poster video on my channel, so please check it out. Ground cinnamon, Shahi jeera, olive oil. I always list my ingredient list under my description, so please check it out. And let's start making delicious Shahi Paneer. Start gas and get a karahi. 1 teaspoon oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, whatever you like. And butter. As it starts to melt, we're going to bring paneer. All the spices along with paneer. We're going to cook the spices in the butter. And mix it well. On medium gas, cooking for 3 minutes, and I'm going to take it out, paneer in a separate plate. I'm going to use the same karahi, 1 more teaspoon olive oil, and we're going to bring, this is the onion, ginger, garlic paste. Mix it. And now we're going to cook our onion really well. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Onion is nicely brown. Now we're going to bring the tomato puree. Mix it well. Now we need to cook tomato along with onion. So keep it moving and keep cooking. As you've seen, the tadka is nicely cooked. This will take some time, so make sure that you cook it well. Shahi jeera, cinnamon powder, mix them well. Now we're going to add cashew powder, almond powder, and char mugs powder. Mix them well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add water. Half cup. And you always can make the gravy thinner by adding more water. After mixing it well, as you can see, we need more gravy. So I will add half cup more. So altogether we added 1 cup water. So mix it well. Now I'll bring the paneer, the one we took it out, all the butter. So make sure that you scoop out all the butter and bring your gas to medium and mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, now we're going to bring the heavy whipping cream. This is 473 milliliter, so we're going to add around 200. It will be 200 milliliter. Mix it. So once it's nicely combined, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri mirt. Now mix it well. Once the Kashmiri mirt is nicely combined, let it cook for 5 minutes. On medium gas, cooking with the cover lid. I'll open it. And our Shahi Paneer is all ready. It's super tasty and super delicious. This kind of gravy you need. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving kadai ready. Look at this. Very tasty, very rich and creamy Shahi Paneer. Let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious Shahi Paneer. Please try it, and this is one of the best vegetarian recipe. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.